How to download Instagram videos on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to download Instagram videos on iPhone, then go ahead and open Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, go ahead and navigate to the post or the video that you want to download. I will simply open Reels in here. Now tap on the share icon you see there beside the video or the reel that you want to download, and at the bottom of your screen scroll through and you will see the option for download. So tap on the download option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on download again and make sure that the reels that you are downloading should not be used for commercial purpose. Wait for the download to complete and you can then go ahead and open photos on your device, and with this, as you can see, the reel has been downloaded successfully. So this was about how you can download Instagram videos on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.